Hi guys, I miss you all. Hope you're doing all right. Anyway, Mom got this tree a couple days ago, or a couple weeks ago, and it's dead. She wants me to cut that top part off and see what happens. Actually, she told me to pull this whole thing out, but I'm going to cut it. See if we can bring it back to life. How am I going to cut this big piece of wood? We will use the chainsaw. All right, you guys ready? Yes. I might need some help. I don't think Grandma wants to help. Let's see. Huh. How am I going to help it? Oh, this is heavy. See if that helps it. That was cool. Huh? And now we just put it over to the side and hope it works out. What's cool about this machine here is that I get to take the battery out. Nice battery. And put it into my weed whacker. And we get to weed whack a little bit. Do little things like look, you can probably see this thing so much fun. Anyway, glad I got to give you guys this little video, and I miss you, and I can't wait for you guys to come home, and I love you very much. I'm about to send this video to you.